Stefano, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us at Interpack 2026. We're going to discuss innovation and sustainability, and I know you've got some product launches that you're keen to discuss as well. So what would you say are the key innovations driving the bakery sector at the moment?
Yes, thank you, first of all, for inviting me in this conversation. I think the key innovation in the market are all related to the biggest struggle of the bakery industry, which is the volatility of the price of energy and the volatility of the price of raw materials. So our innovations are focused to solve these problems. So and to address this problem and to solve them. So the key innovation we are launching are all related to energy consumption and to solve again the biggest problem for our customers.
So to talk a little bit more specifically about GEA's products for bakery production, what would you say are the key features or the key innovations in those?
So we have launched recently a new version of the electric ovens, and this is one of the key innovation that we have presented into the market, and that is addressing two main again problem of our customer. The first one is again energy consumption. Our new version of the electric oven is consuming up to 40% less energy compared to the gas version, and secondly is reducing to zero the CO2 emissions. So is a sustainable product.
Yeah, I think that's incredibly important at the moment because customers really are focused on the sustainability element. In terms of digitalization and automation, how do those factors come into play?
We're launching different product in digitalization, and this is very important for us, and this is very important to support our customer in operation. So they are all related to service and aftermarket. Then we have in automation launching vision systems that is controlling the quality of the final product of our customer, proactively adjusting the ovens, for instance, or the rest of the machines. So is creating again a value for the customer for their operations.
Sounds fantastic, and I look forward to exploring and taking a closer look at the machines now. Just to finish, looking forward, what do you think would be the key drivers in terms of moving the bakery industry forwards?
Yeah, again, I refer to sustainability because regulations are increasing in different countries and different regions, and sustainability will be key, as well as automation and the use of artificial intelligence, which is a trend that is now not so visible in the industry, but it will come as well as is coming all over the world. So,
Well, thank you very much once again
thank you so
for
much.
taking the time to discuss that with us.
Thank you.